what if the internet stopped working for a day? I mean, it's not as simple, but there is no a simple button like stuff to stop the internet, because the internet is not run by a single computer or as by a single supercomputer like thing. Instead, every user actually owns a part of internet and controls it in a way by a small portion. Because think about it, even in YouTube, if you watch a video, then every user will have control over it, like giving it like or dislike, will make its visibility to increase or decrease in someone else's recommendation like stuff by a small portion. But this adds up because there are a lot of people, so it all works like that, and the internet is not owned and controlled by a single person. But what if it did? Because the internet's entire traffic runs through underground optical fiber cables under the ocean, built into the ocean, which connects the all continents. The entire traffic runs through those cables, and if something happens to those cables, the internet will go off for a moment. Well, the first damage would go to sites like PayPal and Amazon. PayPal, there's a lot of transactions per second, and all the net banking would stop for a moment and cause huge losses, and all the people would freak out. And the next thing, the most damage would be taken by Amazon. I mean, think about it. Amazon has 306 transactions per second, and it earns $4,722 per second. For each minute, it adds up to 2,83,000, and so per day there are 26.5 million transactions. That's huge. And with the crash of the internet, everything will stop and it will cause huge loss. Okay, so these all effects are just for one day. What if the internet crashed for a week? Well, the effects are more severe. Well, there are some companies whose only mode of advertising is the internet, that is online advertising in YouTube or Google Ads or such stuff. And even those companies would be affected adversely because they would have no advertisement without the internet, and whatever the user's data is stored on the servers would not be accessible. Okay, what if it was still extended and the internet stopped for a month? Google and Facebook like sites hire a lot of people for their stuff, and if the internet goes off, they would have no revenue, and hence they would kick out all the employers, and this would result in massive unemployment throughout the globe. So there are less jobs to people without the internet. Then the other effects are like increasing deforestation, because without the internet there are no online transactions and everything is done via paperwork as it was done before. That would increase deforestation. Well, in the short term, the stopping of the internet would cause all the negative effects, but in the long term, it would actually cause some positive effects as well. Well, as the internet goes off, the software, the games sharing sites like Steam and video sharing sites like Amazon Prime and Netflix and all stop. So people want other forms of entertainment, and they would go back to traditional TVs. Traditionally, movies were sold in DVDs and CDs, but as the internet came, it became a easier alternative, and so people started downloading movies, and also it gave way to piracy. Piracy would reduce by a great extent. People would go back to theaters to get entertainment instead of going to Netflix. As more and more people go out and do other stuff instead of sitting at home, world obesity percentage would reduce. So even if it feels catastrophic for the first few days, humans are actually more adaptive than you think, and humans would find another alternative way for entertainment and communication, so nothing would be ended forever. So that's it for today's video. Stay curious till the next beat. Bye bye.